Have you ever wondered why it feels like she doesn't even notice when you stop reaching out? You might think that by staying quiet, you are going to make her miss you. You think your silence is a tool, but I have to tell you the honest truth. It is a truth that might hurt at first, but it is the only thing that will really help you move forward. She isn't sitting there staring at her phone, waiting for your name to pop up on her screen. She didn't stay stuck in that moment. In fact, she moved on in her heart before you even decided to stop sending messages. Let that really sink in for a second. You pulled away from her because you wanted her to be hungry for your attention. You expected her to feel that big, empty space in her life the same way you feel it in yours right now. You thought your silence was a way of speaking to her without words. You hoped she would see it and think about how much she wanted you back. You wanted her to wonder where you went and why you weren't there anymore. But instead of that, there was just nothing. Your silence was met with her silence. Maybe she looked at your social media stories, or maybe she didn't even bother to do that. And now you are the one who is constantly checking your phone every few minutes. You are the one wondering why your plan isn't working. You are the one feeling stuck inside your own head while the silence you created only seems to push you further away from her. This is where we need to start. We need to look right at that gap between what you hoped would happen and what is actually happening in real life. Everything you need to understand about who you are, how people feel drawn to each other, and where you really stand in her life is right there in that gap. If this kind of honest talk is what you need right now, instead of someone just telling you what you want to hear, then join our circle of friends. Don't do it for the people making these talks. Do it for yourself. If you don't have someone who cares enough to tell you what is real, you will just keep making the same mistakes over and over again. You will keep trying things that don't work and calling them a plan. Join us. You need these reminders more than you might realize. Now, let's talk about what is really going on. When she doesn't react to you being quiet, it means that your presence in her life wasn't big enough to make your absence feel like a loss. That is the main point of everything. Everything else I'm going to tell you is just explaining why that is true. We are going to look at what caused this, what it is costing you, and how you can change your story starting right now. First, let's talk about the big mistake you probably learned from a website or a friend who didn't really understand how people work. They might have told you that silence is a way to have power. They said that pulling back makes you look like a mystery. They told you that if you give less attention, you become more valuable because you are rare. And in some small ways, that is a little bit true. Being rare does matter, but this is where many men get it very wrong. Being rare only matters if you already had a lot of value to her. You cannot make someone miss water if they were never thirsty. You cannot make someone want a meal they never even tasted. If she never really felt the strength of your character, or if she never saw your focus and your kindness, then your silence isn't like taking away something special. To her, it just feels like the background noise finally stopped. That is the hard truth you have to face. Your silence is not a strong move. It is actually a way of showing that you were never really leading the way. It shows that you weren't the kind of man whose leaving makes a difference. When a man who truly knows who he is and where he is going steps back, everyone feels it. It feels like the room gets a little colder or the energy changes. But when a man who was trying too hard or acting out of fear goes quiet, that quiet feels just like everything else he was doing. It is easy to forget. The silence only hurts if she thought you were someone she couldn't replace. If she was already feeling indifferent or bored, or if she was keeping you at a distance, then you being quiet doesn't mess up her day. It just proves what she already thought, that you weren't really sure of yourself. That is called acting out of need. And that feeling doesn't go away just because you stopped texting. She felt it before. And no amount of staying quiet will change the first impression you made. So why does this happen? Why do men find themselves in this spot? It's because you started from a place where you didn't feel good enough. It wasn't about how you look or how much money you have. It was about how much you believed in yourself. You liked her way too much before you even knew if she was a good person for you. You decided, She was the most important thing before she ever showed you she was someone you could trust. You gave your heart away before there was any real friendship built between you. And because she came first and you came second in your own life, you created this whole mess. Women are very good at picking up on this. They can feel almost right away if a man is acting because his life is already full or because he needs something from them. Having a full life sounds like quiet confidence. It sounds like a man who can laugh easily because he isn't trying to pass a test. He feels like someone whose world was already great before she ever showed up. But needing someone sounds different. Needing someone feels like trying way too hard. It feels like a man who is changing who he is just to make her like him. And in this situation, you were showing her that you needed her. You tried to hide it by waiting to text back, but deep down you were saying, "Please pick me." That is why the silence isn't working. It is still the same needy feeling, just wearing a different outfit. And think about what this is costing you. Every single day you spend looking at her social media or checking to see if she saw your post is a day you are not building your own life. It is a day your big goals are sitting still. Your body isn't getting stronger. Your work isn't getting better. And your friendships aren't getting deeper. You are paying for a dream with the only thing you can't get more of, your time. You stop growing. You stop making things. You stop being the kind of man who would have been attractive to her in the first place. Think about that for a moment. Think about who you would be right now if every hour you spent worrying about her had been spent on something real. Think about the muscles you could have built, the business you could have started, or the skills you could have learned. That version of you wouldn't be using silence as a trick. That man would be quiet because he is busy. He would be quiet because his life is exciting and full of things to do. That is the way you need to look at it. Silence, when it comes from a man who has a lot going on, is not a game. It is just what happens. A man who is hard to reach isn't doing it to be mean. He is actually doing something important. He isn't sitting there counting the minutes until he can text back. He genuinely forgot to look at his phone because he was focused on his work or his friends. He isn't trying to be mysterious. He is a mystery because he has a lot of layers to him, and it takes time to know him. His silence has power because his presence was already strong. Let me tell you about this kind of man so you can see him clearly in your mind. This man wakes up with a goal. He doesn't just have things to do. He has a direction he is moving in. He is building something that will last longer than any relationship or any time someone says no to him. He knows who he is before he ever meets a woman. He doesn't need her to tell him he is okay. He doesn't fall apart if she is cold to him. He doesn't put on a show when she is watching and then get worried when she isn't. When he meets someone he likes, he is really there with her. He is interested in her, but he isn't obsessed. He goes after what he wants because his life is already good, not because he is afraid of being alone. And if she pulls away, he doesn't try to use silence as a weapon. He just keeps going. He goes back to his work, his exercise, and his dreams. He does this because it is who he is, not because he wants her to notice. And here is something many people miss about a man like this. He has rules for how he wants to be treated. These are not walls to keep people out because he is scared. They are boundaries that say, I know what I deserve, and I won't accept less than that, no matter how much I like you. He is a kind man, but he won't make himself smaller just to fit into her life. He won't send 4 messages when she didn't answer the first one. He won't try to guess what her short answers mean. When a woman shows him she doesn't care, he believes her. He says, thank you for the information, and he moves on. That is what it looks like to respect yourself every single day. So, what should you actually do right now? Stop watching what she is doing. If you have to stop following her online or mute her posts, create some space. Stop feeding that feeling in your head. Every time you check her page, you are taking a drug that keeps you stuck. You are choosing to hurt yourself. Stop playing games with your phone. Stop counting the hours. Stop using silence to try and change her mind. When you start trying to pull someone's heartstrings like a puppet, you lose the good man you are inside. Your honesty and your soul are the most important things you have. Never give them up for someone who isn't sure about you. Take all that energy you were using to worry about her and put it somewhere else. Put it into a workout. Put it into an hour of hard work. Talk to a friend who actually likes being around you. Every time your brain tries to go back to thinking about her, make a different choice. The feelings you have are real, but they aren't always telling you the truth. You have to choose to do something better. Start being a man who is really there. Build the kind of life that would make someone proud to be with you. It's not just about how you look, it's about your heart, your hard work, and doing the right thing even when nobody is looking. Build that life because that is what actually draws people to you. It isn't tricks or games. It is who you are deep down. You also have to accept the truth of the world. Not every person is meant for you. That isn't a bad thing. It is just the universe making sure you don't go down a road that leads to a dead end. The right person for you won't need you to act a certain way or play games. They will feel how great it is to be around you just by you being yourself. That is what you are really looking for. You aren't looking for someone you have to trick into loving you. You are looking for someone who sees the real you and chooses to stay. That is possible for you, but only if you become the man who is ready for it. And you become that man by doing the work every day, even when it is hard. I want you to remember this when you leave here today. You are not broken. You are not a bad person. You aren't missing something huge just because one woman didn't miss you when you went quiet. You are just a work in progress. And being unfinished is a great place to start. Every man who ever did something great started exactly where you are. He started in that confusing place where things didn't go the way he wanted. That painful moment is actually the start of your new life. The pain you feel is just proof that you have a big heart and you want something real. And wanting something real is a very good thing. Now you just have to take all that care and turn it back toward yourself. Stop looking at her life and start looking at yours. You are the answer to the problems you are having. It isn't about her coming around. It's about you being the best man you can be. That is the job you have to do. And it starts this very minute. If this talk helped you see things more clearly, then stay with us. Join this group of men who are all trying to be better. We don't care about feeling good. We care about finding the truth. Every time we talk, it's another step on the path to becoming the man you were meant to be. Don't lose your way. You need people in your corner who will tell you how it is. And if you are feeling this right now, know that you are not by yourself. There are men all over the world who are going through the same thing. They are choosing to work on themselves instead of chasing someone who doesn't see their value. You are already one of those men. Now go out there and live like it. Every step you take from here should be for your own growth and your own happiness. You have a lot of strength inside you that is just waiting to be used. Don't waste it on a screen or a silent phone. Use it to build a life you are proud of. When you focus on your own path, the right people will walk beside you. But you have to take that first step alone with your head held high and your heart focused on your own goals. This is your time to grow and become the leader of your own story. Let the silence be the end of the old you and the beginning of the man who knows his own worth. To make sure you really understand this, let's talk about the feelings of the heart one more time. When you decide to stop reaching out, it should be because you are choosing yourself, not because you are trying to win a game. If you are quiet because you are busy working on your dreams, that. Quiet is loud. It tells the world that you are important. But if you are quiet because you are sitting in a dark room waiting for a ding on your phone, that quiet is empty. It tells the world you are still waiting for someone else to tell you that you matter. You are the one who decides your value. No one else gets to hold that power. When you start to believe that you are worth the effort, everything changes. You stop looking for breadcrumbs and you start looking for a seat at the table. You deserve a life that is full of joy and people who care. But first, you must be the person who cares about you the most. Take a deep breath and let the past stay in the past. Your future is waiting for you to show up and lead it. You have everything you need right inside you. Go and build your world. You can do this. You are ready to be the man who moves forward without looking back. Every day is a chance to be new. Every hour is a chance to work on your strength. Be proud of who you are and where you are going. This is your life. It is time to live it for you. Start now. Don't wait for another minute or another text. Just start. You are strong enough, you are good enough, and you are definitely worth the effort it takes to grow into the best version of yourself. This is the truth and it is the path to freedom. Walk it with pride.